In Creo 12, we now report on embedded components in ModelCHECK. Previously to Creo 12, the ModelCHECK infrastructure was such that it would skip embedded components in the report. It was unable to run on such models. We have updated our infrastructure to run ModelCHECK on these embedded components, which we will see reflected in the report. This infrastructure update also brought with it 3 new checks, which are by default turned off. In the first 2, we give you the option to combine the error count of a part or embedded part within a subassembly with the total error count of the top assembly check. In the third new check, we run ModelCHECK on intersected and flexible components. And we can see here that Creo 12 has run ModelCHECK on the embedded component. This new functionality and the new checks give you the option to add an additional level of screening to your ModelCHECK